Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to do the all key loss for 2021 Honda Accord. Now we need to prepare K518 Pro OBD communication cable and Honda Smart Key produced by our Lonsdor. Now let's plug in OBD communication cable for this car.
First, we go into Generate Smart Key. Honda. Select Accord. Find the menu of the 10th generation 2018 to 2022 ID4A with trunk. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generation. OK. No need to continue generating. Click Cancel. Return to main menu. Then we enter the IMO and remote. Honda. By vehicle type. Asia. Select Accord. Select 2019 to 2022. Smart Key. Push button. Select all Smart Key lost. Pay attention to the following tips. Click OK. Remove all Smart Keys from the car. OK. Put a Smart Key to be programmed in the car. Click OK. Because what we do is all key lost, so the ignition switch won't turn on. Click Cancel. Long press the Start button. The ignition switch is on. Please release the engine start button. Click OK. The key chip is for A. Click OK. Enter the number of keys to program 1. OK. OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Check if the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Number of keys programmed 1. OK. Programmed complete. OK. After the key programming is completed, let's try it. Can the key start the vehicle normally? Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The key starts the car successfully. Let's try the remote again. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
Program the new Smart Key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.